Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use supplier bill batches in Nomisma. And this is really useful because it essentially allows you to enter more than one supplier bill at the same time. To get to this page, you'll need to navigate to expenditure on the left menu of your bookkeeping profile, and then to new in the top right-hand corner, and you can select new supplier bill batch. Upon selecting it, you'll see this page, which is very similar to a singular supplier bill entry, but you can see I've got many individual lines and it allows me to select many different suppliers. So you can go through and fill this in for each individual one. So you can select your supplier name. If you needed to add a new supplier, you can come up to the plus and you can select new supplier. And then you can enter your type, your bill number, your description, total, VAT rate, and then finally your expense type. And then by doing this, you can then save or save and add more. If you click save and add more, it will save all of the entries above and it will then load another 5 so that you are doing batch entries of 5 rather than all at once. An alternative to this, if you want to speed things up a little bit further and you already have your data in, say, an Excel spreadsheet, is that you can upload via a CSV. So in this section, you can upload all of your expenditure via a CSV just by selecting that button, but that'll be covered in another video. Okay, I hope you found this useful. If you do have any questions for us, feel free to get in touch with us on 020-3021-2326 or our email address, which is support@nomisma.co.uk. Take care. Thank you.